Hello, so this is Janaditya's World of Fun and welcome back. So today we are gonna make, I don't know, 5 more tanks. This is the part 2 how to make 14 tanks, and finally in my future video part 3 we are gonna make only 4 tanks. So we have done these 5 in our last video. Let's head to these ones, and this is gonna be epic. So let's do it. Okay, so this is new. This is Wolverine. Let's see the pieces and the advantages. Okay, so let's get building the body first, and I'm trying to make it quick because the last video was 9 minutes. I'm gonna say that it is true. So these both are pretty hard to put together. Okay, here. Then take a glass and this turret. Whoa. And then put it here. Yeah. And that's it. This is the Wolverine. First tank completed. Second tank is this second. So I'm gonna keep the completed tanks here. This is the second tank. This has heavy armor on the front and light armor on the back, and +1 blaster on the back. Let's see how to build this one. I pretty well don't know how to call it, a name for it. I'm still searching. Okay, the parts in the front are for the turret and the parts in the back are for the body. So obviously first we are going forward with the turret. That's the turret. Now the body. Fast. Oh, this unique brick is very cool. I'll show you one more of it. Okay. Yeah, so this is the blaster on the back and blaster on the front. So 2 blasters are completed. Now 3 remaining. Now you gotta guess which one is coming next. Alright, you've guessed it right. This is coming next. Okay, so let's build this. As always, turret comes first. Whoa, where did you come from? This has a small turret. So that's the next one. So this is coming next. This is a very heavy armor tank with 2 small guns on here and 1 big gun in here. But this is not generally the boss. This is one of the slowest tanks to move. Whee! And the slowest to turn. Whee! So slow. I will push you out. Just so funny. And the light on top, and this meter is to measure the fuel. Let's see. Oh gosh, this is going into many parts. The first part is the armor back armor and engine. This, whoa, this part is for front armor. This part is for turret, and why did I forget to to make this into pieces? And this is the body part. So let's begin. So I have to do this very carefully and try to remember. Because this is the back armor plus engine. Look, this back armor can rotate up and down. Okay, the turret's coming up. Oops, wrong side. Wait, this goes here, this goes here. Now these two look like an above cabin for this Churchill 4. I don't know, I just come up with names. Okay, this is your... Oops, I forgot something. This is your turret and front armor. Now last one. Okay, this one is attached. He being attached in here. Okay, attach these both. And these both. So this is your cool big armor tank. But now last one is this double barrel one. A weak turret on the bottom and a strong turret on the above one. Let's see the parts. Turret, body, same. Okay, first it's unusual thing. I'm starting from the body. Wait a sec. Why am I forgetting something? Okay, these both come here. Whoops. Yeah. This comes on. Whoa. Here. Oh, last one. So we have finished all of these 5 and final for the rankings. Okay, here we come for there are 2 light tanks, these both. As in the previous episode there were also light tanks and 1 medium tank. Only one. Oh man. So light tanks are mainly meant for movement. They have medium speed but they have less damage. So this the double barrel has a weak turret on the bottom and a strong turret on the one. Pew pew. Or discount and pew. And this is another gun I cannot name. So this has a small turret, a small gun at the back and a giant barrel, gun with barrel on the front and a front armor. So this has lot of damage with the first one, but very less damage with the second one. So this has a powerful turret and a powerful gun. This behind one lets you see, and it's mainly meant for speed, medium damage and medium movement. But their one disadvantage is they are bad at aiming. Whoa, a slip. Whoa. This is a heavy tank. Heavy tanks are mainly meant for armor and damage. They have lot of armor and lot of damage. Just this is thickly coated with armor. And this has two small guns in here and one big gun. But their disadvantage is they have very less movement. This is one of the slowest tanks out there. This just goes here and the movement is here. Anyways, that's a heavy tank. Look, our front armor, back armor, I don't know, side armor. There are many kinds of armors. Okay, so last one is a tank destroyer. Tank destroyer has an open one instead of a closed one. Open turret, so that somebody can take out a gun and shoot. Look, this Wolverine. Tank destroyers also have disadvantages. But tank destroyer has medium speed, medium movement, but they are very bad at aiming, but they are good at attacking. They are good at attacking and aiming. But the thing is, they are slow in movement. As I said, medium speed, but not really slow. But I meant that it takes lot of time to accelerate. And they are medium attackers on this gun. So everything has a disadvantages. And some has many disadvantages. So this is the video of making 5 of the other one. So in my future video I'm gonna post these 4. So thanks for watching. See you next time.